This module is built on design and visual thinking approaches that enable in a creative way to solve problems related to one's professional career, either current or projected for a future. It consists of 5 stages, in our case lessons, that each of you, individually or in pairs, small groups, will go through. Those stages are empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Each of them will be introduced in detail at the beginning of each lesson. Now a little bit more about design and visual thinking approaches. What are they about? Design thinking is a structured learning process aimed at development of creativity and innovativeness to be employed for an effective solution of any problem. Firstly, this approach was used for business solutions. Companies were looking for innovative solutions in order to be more responsive to diverse clients' needs and better compete in labor market. Later, it was introduced in education sector, school, higher, vocational, and adult education, both formal and non-formal. Design thinking helps to look at problems from a different angle, whatever they may be, related to learning, relationships, choices. The starting point for design thinking is individual or group needs for which there are no ready-made solutions. Everyone has to discover for oneself by going through different stages of discovery. The end point of design thinking is to come to a solution that is desirable, what everyone wants, seeks for, and dreams of. Feasible, possible implement in terms of resources, human, technical, financial, time, and valuable, provides tangible value to everyone. Visual thinking is the way of perceiving world in pictures rather than words. Visual thinkers interpret world and express themselves through pictures, photos, graphics. Visual thinking is offered not as an alternative to other sorts of thinking, but as different and complementary way. Visual thinkers are able to notice important nuances, recognize patterns, identity relationships in a different way than verbal thinkers. Visual thinkers in many cases are more advanced in understanding space, meaning of nonverbal expressions, and seeing alternatives in problem solving. So why? Visual thinkers are desirable team members in any sphere of social life and work world. Visual thinkers are talented inventors, innovators, and generators of new ideas. Everyone knows the names Leonardo da Vinci, Thomas Edison, and Nikola Tesla, whose inventions are in use till today. In this module, you will put into practice visual and design thinking strategies that will help you to consider issues related to your professional life, explore alternatives, and choose the solution that is most suitable for you at meantime.